Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 17 Air and I'll be showing you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. So we have our Air, supposedly the thinnest phone at, what is it, 5.6 millimeters, and it would be true if Motorola, or not Motorola, but Honor actually didn't exist with the Honor Magic V5, which is more than 20% thinner than this. So yeah, Apple isn't winning anything here. But anyway, with that little tidbit of information, we can move over to the guide on how you can apply your tempered glass. As you've seen, I just took out everything out of the box. So we have just a little bit of manual, we have our dry and wet wipes, and we have our stickers along with the actual glass itself. Now, before I start getting into cleaning and all that stuff, I'm gonna first dirty up the display by just explaining how I apply my tempered glass to the phone. So you can see that on our glass right here, we have a pull little tab right here, so you just yoink that. That would basically, whatever you pull off, you throw that off or throw that out, and this leaves the glass with the exposed sticky side. So you then just plop it on like so, face down. And when you're applying it, the way I like to do it is by holding the glass by the edges like this, and then at an angle. So as an example, I'm holding it kind of like this. I can adjust at this angle the position left to right, so I can see how it's spaced between each side right here, and also move it from left to right physically, from the bezel to bezel. And once I adjust it correctly, I will then apply pressure. I'm just kind of drastically showing it how I do this, but typically I just do it much gentler. But I apply pressure, so then the glass won't really shift around, and I will just try to lower it down, see how it's lowering, if it's evenly spread. If not, I can lift this bottom portion up and again readjust it and try again. And the moment I find what could be considered like the literal middle of the display, which I usually aim for, I can just straight up drop the glass on here and it will adhere to the display. So with that explanation out of the way, when it comes down to cleaning, we have the wet and the dry wipes. You can use those, but they're super tiny. They're like the size of your thumb. So I just like to throw this out and use a microfiber cloth. That's just my personal preference. If you don't have a microfiber cloth, obviously these wipes will work just fine. I just like something that is much bigger and makes it much easier to clean the display off in a faster way. So once you clean off your display, oops, there we go. Once it's cleaned off, just make sure that there is no dust on the display, and there we go. And once you're ready to apply your tempered glass, you can grab one of these and then just kind of unglue this. So you can peel that off and trying to get some dust. There we go. So you can see there is like one piece of dust, so you can grab the sticker, do this, so once you remove everything, what the hell is this? Okay, just some grime right here. Anyway, so once it's cleaned, we can now grab the glass. And I peel off the foil to the bottom. So if any dust would settle, it's only settling at the top of the glass itself that doesn't have anything sticky on it. And from here, like I said, we're gonna align it. Once it's aligned, there we go, like this. I can drop it and you can see it's already sticking. Let's speed it up just a little bit, and there we go. super evenly applied. As you can see right now. Basically as good as what you get when you have these plastic little covers right here that you're just going to drop the glass in. One more thing that I want to point out that you might experience sometimes when you're applying tempered glass, you might see, particularly they usually form in the corners, these air bubbles. You can try to squeeze them out, but most of the time you're just compressing the air and it will come back. So if you encounter such a thing, you can just grab your fingernail and gently lift up. Just get it. There we go. Lift up the tempered glass, let the air escape, and you can see it just snaps right back. So you can do that if you have some kind of air pockets stuck in there that they constantly come back. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.